Hey, let's go get some toys. Ellie, come here. Let's look who's in the toy box. Which toy do you want? Do you want the Jack toy? Look at him. Jack. You're such a funny guy. What are you doing in the toy box? You're all piled up. Look at you. Look, Ellie. What do you think? What's your silly brother doing? Oh, hello. How are you, Abby? Where did she go? She doesn't care, Jack. Is that or she doesn't recognize you because you're in Cat Nito. Well, enjoy your nap, Jack. Here you go. We'll just keep piling toys on. Ellie, what's he doing? What's he doing? He's in your toy box. What a funny guy. Which one did you take? Which one do you want? Come on. You just woke up. Everybody's so lazy. Ellie, come here. Ellie. Here you go. There you go. Take your toy. You're going to show it to Jack? Invisible Jack? You are a comedian. Yes, you are. Jack the cat.